The need to promote investor education and protection for enhanced financial literacy formed the core of conversations marking the IOSCO World Investor Week 2024, which came up Friday at the Nigerian Exchange, Lagos. Organized by the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in conjunction with the Nigerian Exchange Group (NGX), the event brought together stakeholders across Nigeria's financial sector, including representatives from the Nigerian Higher Education Foundation, the University of Lagos, and GFA Technologies. AV1 News brings you the report. The event had as its theme technology, digital finance, and sustainable finance, crucial in today's rapidly evolving financial landscape. It was aimed at raising awareness on investor education and protection.
Today is very significant for us because the theme of the World Investors Week is what? Sustainable finance, crypto, and digital finance. What is more apt in a time like this? When you speak about climate change and climate action, when you speak about degradation of our environment, when you speak about clean energy and the future around clean energy, what's more apt for you to understand around investment, diversifying your thoughts and changing the way you think about investing, creating impact investing avenues that indeed will cause you to know that you are part of the regeneration of the earth. As we speak now, the tornadoes are all over Florida. People are camping for a space to hide. Yet we are here. Of course, like we always would pray, it will not get to us. But clearly, it is getting to somebody. But if we do our investments around sustainable finance, impact investing, not really looking at the profits that we want to get, but looking at the impact that this will bring to the world, then we'll be doing service not only to ourselves, but to the world and the future generation.
Group Managing Director NGX Temi Popola highlighted the group's commitment to supporting retail investors and as well leveraging technology to revolutionize the market.
The DG spoke about a revolution that's happening in the market around technology. And for us, it's something that we're very passionate about, where we're asking ourselves how we can support our subsidiary companies, our associate companies, and just use our convening power to bring this subject of technology to the table. And I think that if we go back maybe over the last 3-4 months or so in our capital market, we see this revolution, frankly speaking. We've seen it now a lot in the primary market side of things. And there are two areas that we're spending a lot of time now to think about. One is, as the DG spoke, you would have seen that he was speaking about very different asset classes and how our market needs to go away from being seen as a mono asset class, equities, and being seen as a multi-asset class. And you can imagine that as the SEC continues this charge, we as market sort of operators have this responsibility. So on our side, we constantly think through how to use technology to aggregate across all of these products.
We do have other products that we are cooking, and in no time you will also have access to those products. The point is, these are the plain vanilla instruments that you can invest in the capital market. So it's safe to start from here. This is the known to the unknown. So before you go into the exotic sides of it, you can start from there. We also have derivatives, which is the last of the instruments. And derivatives are really products that are carved out from underlying asset classes that were mentioned that would then allow you to de-risk your portfolio and at the same time ensure that the risk associated with investing in capital markets is mitigated. So the capital market can be broadly divided into primary market, secondary market. Primary market is where issuances occur, where like you're seeing some of the banks trying to raise capital. So that's really the primary market side of things. Secondary market is usually trading of those instruments that have been listed on exchange, which is all those asset classes I've spoken to. Those things are part of the things that you will be exposed to when you come to the Nigerian capital markets.
You see why it is important that we are all financially literate. And when I was applying to SEC for an asset management license in 2019, thankfully the current DG was also on the panel then, and then they asked me, you already have a license as a securities dealer, why do you want this new one? And I said, because I need to do financial literacy. We need to lead by teaching people how to invest so that they don't make the same mistakes that I've always been making. I kept on losing money even to this day. So you can't become, there's no end in literacy. It continues to take, it's a new journey.
The event also featured insightful contributions from other industry leaders and a symbolic closing gong ceremony reinforcing a commitment to educate and as well empower retail investors.
For they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows. And so